Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. This is a variation of stitch number 84. It's the Petit Pois crochet stitch. For those of you who want to watch it, I'll leave the link up here. And I also did a hat, so I'll do that as well. I'll show you the hat link right now, right here. It's very pretty and it's very easy to make. I'd say this is ideal for a beginner since it only consists of 2 rows. This row of little small peas and then the row of double crochets. And this is what it looks like. It's a reversible stitch. That's what it looks like from the back. So it makes it perfect for baby blankets. Here's another sample that I did. Same thing. Very pretty. That's what it looks like from the back. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started and thank you for watching. Okay, to begin, I'm using a 4.5mm crochet hook and I'll be using this light number 3 baby yarn. You can use any yarn as long as you use the recommended hook size for the yarn that you're going to use. The stitch multiple is any number of chains as long as it ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9. Okay, to begin, I have a small sample. I have 17 chains here. Your chain is going to be longer, however, the sequence is still the same. Okay, so to begin, on the second chain from the hook, 1, 2, I'm going to go in, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook. Go into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, close. Okay, and now for the next stitch, you're going to go back into the last chain, which is this one here, and it's the same one where we just pulled the last loop. So go back into that same space, pull up a loop, and now into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, close. Okay, that's 2. Now again into the same space where I just did my last stitch, go back in, pull up a loop, go into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops, close. Okay, again, go back into this last chain where we just did the last stitch, pull up a loop, go back into the next chain, pull up a loop, 3 loops, close. Okay, so now here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is all you're going to do. So make sure you always, to begin your stitch, go back into the same space where you just did your last stitch. Okay, there's another one. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. Okay, and here's our first row, and this is what it looks like. So now for the second row, remember that on our first row we have 15 stitches. Okay, so now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. the 3 chains count as 1 double crochet. And now we're going to make double crochets on top of each one of these stitches, beginning here on this one right next to the chains. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, and here it is. This is what it looks like. Okay, notice that on this second row we have 1 extra double crochet. On our first row we had 15 stitches. On the second row we have 16. That's what we need. We need an extra stitch so that the next row comes out correct. So for the third row, we're going to chain 1, we're going to turn. And into this first double crochet right there, we're going to go in and pull up a loop, go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, 3 loops, close. For the next one, go back into this second double crochet, pull up a loop, go back into the third double crochet, pull up a loop, 3 loops, and close. Okay, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 stitches. Okay, and that's the third row. And here you can see this stitch that looks like little small peas. Okay, so now for the fourth row, we're going to repeat the row of double crochets. So chain 3, turn, and we're going to make 1 double crochet on top of each one of these stitches of the previous row, beginning here. Okay, that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16 double crochets. And here's the fourth row. That's what it looks like. This is all you're going to do. Just repeat the first and the second row until you have the size that you want. So now here for the fifth row, you're going to repeat the first row. So chain 1, turn, and now here on top of this first double crochet, go in and pull up a loop, go into the next double crochet, pull up a loop, 3 loops, and close. Go back again into the second double crochet, pull up a loop, into the third double crochet, pull up a loop, and close. And continue like this all the way to the very end. And here it is. This is what it looks like. Here's a little sample that I did. That's a little bit, that's got more rows. And as you can see the little rows of peas. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.